Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wooden hanger as well as this wooden crate, both from Dollar Tree. I remove the hanger and staples and then paint that entirely with Plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I also use that same paint for the wooden crate. I'm also taking these mini wooden pots, they're also from Dollar Tree, and paint them with the same color. Once everything's dry, I hot glue those wooden pots to the bottom of the four corners of the crate. And I'm hot gluing them so the bottom of the pots is glued to the bottom of the crate. I then hot glue the back bottom of the hanger and place that inside the crate. Hot glue in some floral foam. I'm taking this eucalyptus pick from Walmart and cutting the pieces and then placing that throughout that foam. And then just to give it a little bit of a touch of spring, I am taking this little bunny pick that I got from Walmart, cutting that down and placing it within that foam. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.